Chapter 5 Bird Talk. Let's read this poem to know the difference between humans and birds. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Exercises. Answer the following questions. A. What do the birds eat? Answer. The birds eat beetles. B. Where were the two birds sitting? Answer. The two birds were sitting in the garden. C. What are these birds doing in the garden? Answer. These birds are talking in the garden. Find their meanings. A. Garden. A piece of ground with flowers, trees and shrubs. B. Grow. Develop. C. Feathers, wings. D. Funny, humorous. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. Think about the people, the way they grow. B. Aren't people funny to be that way? C. Jay and Robin are sitting in the garden. Tick the right options. A. What are these two birds doing? 1. Playing. 2. Fighting. 3. Talking. 3. Talking. B. What do people look like according to Robin and Jay? 1. Honest. 2. Funny. 3. Birds. 2. Funny. C. The birds are talking about 1. Rats. 2. People. 3. Sunset. 2. People. Match the following with the answer. A. They eat green chili. Parrot. B. They are aquatic birds. Penguins. C. They swim. Duck. D. They sit on wires. Bird. Sort the following in the appropriate column. Grains, pasta, seeds, water, fly, right, feathers. Column. Birds. Column. Humans. Birds, grains, seeds, water, fly, feathers. Humans, seeds, water, pasta, fly. Let's enjoy the poem. Your friend asks you to visit a bird sanctuary. What will you do? How will you plan a visit?